Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to create avatar on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to animate. So first of all, open your Instagram profile and then click on the three-line icon to the upper right hand corner and click on settings and now click on account, and here you will find this avatars option, so click on it and click on get started. Now select your skin tone to get started. Then click on next. And from this list, you have to select your hairstyle. And click on this color to change the hair color. And click on this face shape and select your face shape. And click on face markings and you can select your face marking. You can choose a face lines from here. You can select eye shape from this list. You can select eye color. You can use eye makeup from this list. And after customizing the avatar, then click on done and click on save changes and click on next. And if I click on avatars, and here you will find your own avatar. So this was how we can create avatar on Instagram. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to animate. Thank you for watching.